Quality begins long before production starts. The journey begins in the strawberry fields. Only ripe strawberries are selected for production. Harvesting begins with great care. Careful harvesting protects every strawberry. Fresh fruit travels quickly to the factory. Production begins with fresh, premium strawberries. Every strawberry is inspected before processing. Only premium strawberries enter production.
Advanced technology sorts every strawberry precisely.
High-pressure washing removes surface impurities. Bubble washing gently cleans every strawberry. Filtered air removes every drop of moisture. Every stem is removed with precision. Uniform cutting prepares the fruit for extraction. Crushing releases fresh strawberry juice naturally. Fresh fruit mash is ready for extraction. Fresh juice is extracted with maximum efficiency. Primary filtration removes large fruit particles. Clarification improves juice purity. Clarified juice moves to fine filtration. Fine filtration creates exceptionally pure juice. Every ingredient is measured with precision. Controlled mixing creates balanced flavor. High-speed mixing ensures complete consistency. Homogenization creates a silky smooth texture. Vacuum treatment removes trapped air. The juice enters enzyme treatment. Natural enzymes improve juice clarity. Polishing filtration delivers exceptional purity. Pasteurization ensures safe, premium juice. Rapid cooling preserves freshness and flavor. Sterile storage protects juice quality. Every bottle is perfectly aligned. Every bottle receives the exact fill level. Every bottle is sealed for lasting freshness. Every bottle passes strict quality inspection. Every bottle receives a perfect label. Every bottle receives complete product information. Protective sealing completes every bottle.
Robots pack every bottle with precision.
Every carton is securely sealed for transport. Robots stack every pallet with perfect accuracy. Protective wrapping secures every shipment. Finished products are stored with precision. Every shipment is verified before dispatch. Finished pallets are prepared for loading. Every shipment is loaded with care. Final inspection ensures safe transportation. Fresh strawberry juice begins its delivery journey. Temperature-controlled transport preserves every bottle. Fresh products reach the distribution center. Products are prepared for retail delivery. Fresh juice travels to local stores. Fresh strawberry juice is ready to enjoy. From farm to bottle, every step delivers quality.